Hello, my name is Jason, and on this channel, I'm going to showcase some of my favorite things. Today, I'm featuring the Boulder EDC wallet by ARC Company. ARC Company is an Etsy maker specializing in smartly designed organizers and wallets for everyday carry. ARC Company offers an assortment of colors for this wallet, but I really like this one made of black Cordura fabric. The Boulder EDC wallet was designed by ARC Company as an all-in-one carry system. The Boulder splits into three sections. The front pocket offers quick access to your EDC gear, while the inside and back pockets hold your cards, cash, or other gear. The Boulder EDC wallet is light and slim enough to fit in any pocket. At 4¼ inches long, the Boulder EDC wallet by ARC Company is a perfect organizer for everything that goes into my pocket. I swear this is one item I don't like to leave home without.